How to manage your privacy settings on Etsy. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Etsy. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top here, click on your account, as you can see, and click on account settings. Now after you click account settings, it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options. Click on privacy right here, and now scroll down. As you can see, you will be able now from here to manage your privacy settings. You have the findability option, you can enable it or disable it, and you have many other options right here. For example, personalized advertising, required cookies and technologies, and all those informations. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.